I don't have a plan for today yet. Hi gorgeous people, welcome back to another video, and today's video is a vlog taking care of my mental health. Since past few months I've been working so much, constantly overthinking and making so many decisions that kal I felt so burned out. Like kal my life mein minor si problem आई and I was like done. I could not handle it anymore. I was just super exhausted. I was just feeling so sad going on in my life, and I think मैं भी बहुत time बाद face कर रही हूँ. Like I'm also feeling that my mental health is not doing fine after so long. And आज भी 12 बज रहे हैं अभी. I was still laying in my bed and doing nothing. But I was like, if I don't change my situation right now, nothing's going to change. So well, I have dedicated this day to feel better, and I'm gonna do all the things that I love and just not overthink on it. I have not planned anything for today, but I know that I'm going to start by doing some skincare. While this sits on my face, I can't talk so much, so I'm just going to relax and listen to some good music. Feeling so good, and I'm feeling like a brand new person, and this is motivating me to do something nice, and I've decided to do some reading. Usually I set numbers कि आज 5 pages पढ़ने हैं या 10 pages पढ़ने हैं, but today I'm going to read as long as it makes me feel better, and I also have all the time, and I'm also going to do some journaling. Just feel so calm, and I think a weight has lifted off. I don't know how to explain this, but now I'm going to do some meditation because I just read in my book and I know it's very healthy, and I haven't meditated in a while, so I'll be doing like a nice meditation session. So I just sat and did my makeup with some nice music, and it was so therapeutic, to be honest, because usually whenever I do my makeup, I'm either shooting or it's just such a rush because I need to make videos or go out. मैं बाहर तो बहुत ही कम जाती हूँ, but today I actually sat and enjoyed doing my makeup, and yeah, I feel pretty. I feel main character. Okay, I am ready, and my sister and I are going to a new cafe. We explored a new cafe. Yes. तुम अपने reviews बताओ पहले. I like it so much. Yes, even I love it so much. I mean, बहुत time बाद मैं बरेली में किसी cafe से impress हुई हूँ. Yes. मुझे genuinely expectation नहीं थी इतना अच्छा होगा. Food wise average था, but अच्छा था. मतलब ऐसा भी नहीं है कि I don't want to come here and eat. It's just for photos. ऐसा भी नहीं है. Food wise भी काफी अच्छा था. Not the best, I would say. Like एकदम delicious नहीं लग रहा था. But हाँ, food wise 8 out of 10. Ambience 10 on 10. मतलब I see myself coming here often, especially in winters. कितना cozy लगेगा. With hot chocolate. With hot chocolate. अच्छी जगह है. I mean, I think you should go and at least visit. And yeah. Okay, so let me share something with you guys. You know why I picked today out of all the days to go to that cafe? Is I am very good with camera and making videos, but since 15 days I am so conscious. You know, if I've shot with you, you know that I'm just so easy going. Like public mein idhar udhar, I'm very easily like comfortable and I don't care, and I'm just very happy to shoot videos, but 15 दिन से I've been so cautious कि कोई देख रहा होगा, कोई क्या सोच रहा होगा, like I should not do it. यार ये वो, अभी भी कैफे में घुसने से पहले I was like, please कैफे खाली हो तो it's going to be easy for me. And you know what, I am glad I took that step, because as soon as I went in there were 4 people. उसमें से 2 लोग already photos खींच रहे थे. There was this girl, she was clicking photos and she saw that I was looking at her, but she still continued to click photos. वो सोच सकती है कि मैं उसको जज कर रही हूँ या नहीं, but I was actually happy that she has that guts that I used to have. Then I saw her and then I was like, you know what, अगर ये कर सकती है तो मैं तो कर ही सकती हूँ. I do so many shoots, outdoor shoots, indoor shoots. I'm so good with cameras and everything. तो मैं तो कर ही सकती हूँ. And I don't know why, it just boosted my confidence and I was like, I can do it. And we started clicking pictures and making vlog and it was a great success. I'm so happy. It's just getting better. Yeah. So you know what, if you're ever scared about taking any step or there's something that's haunting you, just take the damn step and everything's going to get better. Seriously. You know, painting for me is like pure therapy. I love painting. Here's one of the paintings that I did. So beautiful. I kind of messed up this one, but ठीक है, I was just doing it for fun. I mean, मैं जिम आई हूँ एंड बहुत गट्स के बाद मैं जिम में व्लॉग करने वाली हूँ, तो कोई भी मेरे फॉर्म के बारे में कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. ओके, आई नो आई एम अ बिगिनर. प्लस व्हाई इज इट लुकिंग लाइक आज जिम में भीड़ होने वाली है? अगर भीड़ होने वाली, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग एनी नाइस क्लिप्स बिकॉज नो 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 सोशल एंग्जाइटी नो. मेरी बहन होती है ना, वो यूजुअली मेरी हेल्प कर देती है, बट अकेले कहीं जाके फोन रख के मुझसे नहीं होगा. आई एम वेरी गुड एट मेकिंग वीडियोज बट आई नीड समवन विथ मी. There's so much I want to talk about. Also, I don't want ये video लंबी और boring हो जाए, but just hear me out. This is super important. You know what? I am so glad that I took all the steps that I did today. नहीं तो I swear आज पूरा दिन मैं bed पे लेटी रहती and मैं सोचती कि I might need this break and everything is going to be fine. But I instead did everything that I was scared of and everything that was pulling me back. I just did all of that. And it makes me feel so nice and strong. You know, half in my gym मैं सोच रही थी कि I'm so like ready and up for challenges. Like अब मेरी life में आगे कुछ भी issue आने वाला है, I think I'm too much prepared for it. 10 minutes बाद I get few texts. It literally ruins my mood. I'm like, shit, how do I deal with this right now and everything? I have a business, by the way, if you don't know. I'm talking about my business. So I was like, you know what, this is such a big problem. What do I do? And then I was like workout complete kar lete, fir I'll deal with it. So there was this guy who was helping another guy do his set and he was like, you have it, one more, and he did it, and he did 3 more repetitions, right? So I was like ki, I don't know, mujhe pata nahi kya hua, like I don't know. After that I was like, you know what, I think I can do it. I mean, I can do it. And I just then replied, I texted back. It was so smooth and easy. It's still a, it's still a headache. It's still a problem, but I think I can deal with it. I think I can deal with anything. It's just so much big girl problems, and I think nobody teaches you how to handle situations mentally. You can handle situations, but the way it stresses you and impacts you instantly, that needs to be taught, that how to handle that. But anyways, I'm really glad. I feel so good that I finally got out and shot videos. I went to gym. I did have a nice workout and everything. So yeah, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा था. I'm truly grateful for today and I'm super ready for tomorrow. And yeah, now I'm home. मैं just घर आई हूँ. I am just going to relax for a while. I think I'm going to have a nice dinner And yeah, I'm going to watch Modern Family. It's my current obsession. And I'll do some skincare and remove this makeup. Also, my first time lens pen ke gayi gym. It was weird at first, but I think it's much better than chashma. My chashma keeps irritating me all the time. I think I'll wear lens more often in gym if I have time. Yeah, this is 3 minute ki puri baat hai yaar. And there's nothing that I could like cut. So this is weird. This vlog is going to be a little long, but I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I mean, please share this video. Please, you know, like and comment down anything. Just like, you know, nice. Itna sabhi comment kar do, because this just makes me feel happy, you know. I think the biggest thing is vlogging makes me super happy. And I would love to vlog more and shoot more content. If you guys could engage a little more, it would literally motivate me a lot. And yeah, that was it. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate each and every one of you. Chalo, let's get home.